Delicious Milk Tart. Lekker Korslose Melk Tert. First, let's get our ball of white sugar at 250 milliliters. Next is our cake flour, wheat flour, all-purpose flour, the white stuff, the good stuff at 125 milliliters. Next is the corn flour at 150 milliliters, and don't be startled by the illness, you can use the bleached one as well, and I am just human. Next, let's do the egg test as a little bonus. If they sink to the bottom, they're good, hopefully. If they float to the top, they're definitely bad or have an air pocket, but rather not use it. And always think for yourself. 4 eggs, any size. This might change the consistency later on a little bit, but that doesn't matter. Cinnamon, salt, and vanilla. Just keep them nearby. Close by, we're not using them yet. A wonderful milk does the dance of wonders at 1.5 liters needed. Here's the ingredient list. Take a screenshot, it will last longer. Add the eggs and sugar together. And mix them well until they become sponge-like. Not feel sponge-like, but just means little bubbles on the top when you stop whisking. Add the dry ingredients. A literal pinch of salt. Vanilla at 5 milliliters. And for the love of goodness, please use an electric whisk. Save yourself. Save yourself. After that tortuousness, make sure to remove all the lumps. Your consistency might vary depending on the size of eggs you use, so don't stress about it. If it's a little bit dry or a little bit runny. Add 1.5 liter milk to a large pot. Bring to a boil slowly, stirring occasionally as to ensure not to burn the milk. Set the heat to low and add the mixture. Stir continuously, make sure it's fully cooked through, and if you still have lumps, use a quick whisk them out of existence. If you can't get each and single one, it's okay, don't stress, it should look like this. Next, make sure your dish is cooked, sprayed, buttered, so it doesn't stick. But if you want to risk it like me, go for it. I don't recommend it though. Once poured, let's cinnamon this tart while it's hot. It will ensure that the cinnamon sticks. And let it completely cool off before you put it in the fridge, otherwise the cinnamon will sweat off and it won't look pretty no more. Once completely cooled, pop into the fridge. Leave it for a few hours, but it's best overnight and just gets better by each day. And here is our lovely milk tart in all its glory and extremely delicious. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, and if you like city building games and gameplay, please check out my gaming channel. Cheers!